Hi again, everyone. Dr. Tom McNamara here, working on our course in college algebra. We have posted several videos regarding exponential functions, and I thought I would work through a couple of example problems here with you just to make sure that you don't get tripped up on these assignments. So here's a problem. Looks kind of tricky. It's got fraction exponents. It's got two fraction exponents. So let me switch to the document camera here. Okay. Okay, there we go. Took a couple clicks longer than I thought it would. Okay, so this problem that we're looking at right here, actually it just boils down to doing rules for exponents. The rules for exponents that you already know, they still apply to these new kinds of exponents, to negative exponents, to fractional exponents. And let me give you a bit of a review there of these rules for exponents. Okay, so if I have two powers, I can add the exponents. So for a quick example, if I had 3 squared times 3 to the 4th, well, here I've got 2 factors of 3, and here I have 4 more factors of 3. So in this product, there would be a total of 6 factors of 3, okay, adding the exponents. If you divide 2 powers of the same base, subtract the exponents. If you raise a power to a power, multiply the exponents. Okay, so rules for exponents, and I'm sure you already knew these from elementary algebra or wherever you get that. So let's go back to this. We have 49 power 1/8. Now I have no idea what that is. And then 49 power 3/8. Okay, well, let's go back to the document camera here. So 49 power 1/8 times 49 power 3/8. Well, rules for exponents tell me I should multiply the exponents. All right. Well, I'm adding fractions here. They already have a common denominator. If they did not have a common denominator, I'd have to write both fractions using my common denominator. But here I can just go and add straight away. So I add my numerators. I put that over the common denominator. I can reduce this fraction. We know 4 out of 8 is the same as 1/2. So this is 49 power 1/2. Based on what we know about fraction exponents from a previous video, 1/2 power is the same as square root, and I know what the square root of 49 is. I know the square root of 49 is 7. So over here, 7. Check answer. Great. Okay, so the question looked kind of tough with those 2 fraction exponents, but all we needed to do was remember the rules for exponents and then apply those rules to the exponents that we had. Okay? Did you see the next one that came up? That one's an easy one, right? Anything to the 0 power, we know that. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Okay, great. Here, 6 power 104. Whoops. Sorry, I didn't have that on, did I? It was below this. Okay, so back here, we just did 13 to the 0. We put in 1. Okay, great. 6 power 104, and then take the 104th root of that. Okay, once again, this is a rules for exponents problem. Do not try to compute 6 power 104. Okay? Your calculator will give you something in scientific notation. Don't do it. Okay, use the rules for exponents. In fact, we're using this rule for exponents. We got a power to another power. The problem we were looking at was this. 6 power 104 to this power, 1 over 104. Rules for exponents say I should multiply the exponents. 1 over 4 times 1 over 104. Well, a number times its reciprocal is 1. This is 6 to the 1, or just plain old 6. Okay, so 6. Done. Okay. So, the thing I wanted you to get from this video is to not get tripped up by these problems that involve negative exponents and fraction exponents. Okay, you know how these things work. You know how the rules for exponents work. They apply to these new kind of exponents as well. I suppose while I'm here, actually, we'll do this in a next video. Okay, in a later video, we'll talk about how to deal with a problem like this, which is talking about an exponential function. So we'll get to that in a later video. For right now, make sure you understand that the rules for exponents apply to negative exponents and fractional exponents, just like they apply to positive whole number exponents.